Guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be preparing for you some lasagna. I have all my ingredients on the counter here and I'm going to get started in a few minutes, okay? All right. Okay, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the skillet. And I'm going to go ahead and add 4 cloves of garlic, 1 whole onion chopped. I'm going to add the pound of ground turkey. I just realized my stove wasn't on. It was on earlier and I turned it off, so I just put it back on. This induction stove, it doesn't take long for it to heat up. That's why I like cooking on it. Okay, that's some pretty lean turkey meat, so I don't have to drain it. It's not that much oil in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the dried 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, which is optional. I'm not going to put it in this particular dish. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so let me go ahead and add this in here. And let me add the basil. There, this is fresh basil. 1 teaspoon of basil. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in 1 thing of tomato basil sauce. I don't know if I'll be able to use both jars or not. Let me see. Ugh. This is hard to open. Okay, this is 24 ounces. I'm gonna add a little water to it, just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook for a little while. I added 1 teaspoon of thyme. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make ricotta. That was easy. Came right on out. 1 egg. Okay, 1 cup of parsley, chopped. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. The salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Okay. Okay. That's a half a cup. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna add just a little pinch of nutmeg. Just a pinch, maybe half a teaspoon. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, let's build the lasagna. Okay, I'm gonna open this other jar. Okay, this is lasagna already ready for the oven. Okay, let me open my cheese. And get that going. Okay. I'm gonna add a little more sauce to it. It's gonna be some delicious lasagna here. On this side. One there. One there. Okay, this is the size bag I just used up. I got another one over here I'm gonna open. So just put that over there. Okay, let's put another layer on here. Press it down. Perfect for that end. Oh, I almost used the whole box. I got 5 left. This is the lasagna I'm using. Whew. Put a little more water in there. So I did use 2 jars of this sauce, tomato basil sauce. Okay, I have a preheated oven at 400, it's like 400, at 350. I'm gonna let this cook for 45 minutes to an hour covered. Okay, then I'm gonna remove the cover and probably add some more cheese on top. I have this cheese here, which I'm gonna add a little of it on this side here. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, let me get the foil. I can never get this right. I don't know if this is the upside or this is the upside. I don't know. Somebody tell me, please, because I don't know. I'm gonna spray this side. Somebody help me. I do not know which side is the right way. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, cut the video off until it's baked. Yeah. Oh, let's see what it looks like. hope it didn't stick. I sprayed it. You guys see me spray it, didn't you? Ooh, it is hot, hot, hot. Oh, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even need to put it back in the oven. Okay, let me take some pictures of it. Looks delicious. In fact, let me just.
This is
I'll be done when I put it on this plate.
We had a party on for your Aunt Jessie.
Oh, okay.
That's the first patio. And
Who's that? And Jamie walking in right there. It looks like.
yeah, and